Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to improve your online privacy and security, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to delete a saved credit card from the Opera browser. It's simple, effective, and helps protect your sensitive payment information. First, open your Opera browser. Next, click the red Opera logo at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click on Advanced. Under the Autofill section, you'll find Payment Methods. Click it. You'll see a list of saved payment methods. Find the credit card you want to delete. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to that card. Then click Delete. The card will be permanently removed from your browser. Thanks for watching. Deleting unused credit cards keeps your data safer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical browser tutorials.